Konnichiwa, hope everyone's good. So I thought I'd do 2 EDC videos a month instead of just one, because I've got a few things lying around gathering dust I want to start using, and I don't know how long it's going to be before I can get to the woods to do videos because of the lockdown. So it's just extra videos I can do instead of just one once in a blue moon between EDC updates. Anyway, it's changed a bit since I'm not working now, so I'll just get cracking with a knacking. Notebook changed to the Fisher Space Pen Bullet with a cap that's off of the, I think it's a 750, because I had the original cap on this that it came with, and the clip wasn't very well put on and I ended up losing the pen. So I found the pen, didn't find the cap, and found out the cap off the 750 fits on the bullet pen, so that's why I've got the 750 cap on there. And that pocket clip is probably secured in place, so I shouldn't lose that. So that's that. Knife, changing to the Canadian Groman. I think it's a slim pocket knife or slimline pocket knife. I've had this for a few years, haven't used it in almost 2, I think. That's just a real nice knife. And for the first time in about 10 years, I'm not carrying a bandana anymore. I'm changing to a hank. So this one's a Pentley Park. It's handmade in England. Found them on Etsy. Got the paisley design. And it's got a microfiber cloth on the back, which is going to be awesome for cleaning the lenses, which are filthy, as you can see. And the lens on the camera or the phone is constantly needing wiping as well, because obviously hands are going in your pockets all the time. Get the phone out. Whenever you want to make videos, you've always got to clean the prints off it. So that'll get a lot of use. Besides the other things as well, like first aid and sweat and sneezing in and all of that good stuff. Next, going back to the old Olight SR2 baton, I am going to be getting some new stuff eventually as well. Hopefully by the end of the month. I want to get new pens, maybe some new wallet, and I might get a new watch, but we'll see. But that's the SR2 baton, which I still really like. I actually prefer the Omitech Elf over this though, just because that's more versatile. And mask, I'm going with the 3 different masks, because you shouldn't really wear the same one every day, and I'm too tight ass to buy a few of these. But that's a pack safe silver ion, which is the best mask I've used. In other masks, got the Chico bag mask, which also has the wire nose bridge as well, and the Adidas So obviously be washing one, wearing another one, washing that, wearing the other one, and then rotate that way. Keys, which I thought I had close, but I don't. So that's all I'm carrying now as far as key, chain, tools. Taking the knife off because I'll be using that. Kind of pointless in having two now that I'm not working. And the Gerber shard has been taken off as well. Got nothing to pry anymore, so it's pointless in having that. And thousands of cap lifters all over the house, and girlfriend is in a different country, so I've got nothing to screw, so kind of pointless in having the shard. So I've just got the essentials. Got the Uncle Bill's slither grippers, the Phoenix NW20, and the Olight i1R2 EOS, which is still awesome. And the other keys, still just got the Troll Cross on there, which is hand forged iron. And the wallet is also changed. Going back to the old kangaroo leather bomber wallet. And in here, got ID under the flap and driver's license. And besides that, I've just got the same little survival kit and first aid kit and the little smiley face clip I use for clipping receipts and stuff too. And that is it for my personal ADC. I'll get into the bag now. So I've changed the bag to the Finish gas mask bag. I do like the 511 72, but it just looks a little too tactical and it draws attention, which just means there's more of a risk of getting stopped and searched, which I can't be bothered with. I can't really justify carrying a bag like that just for going for walks. Anyway, in here, on the outside, I've got the Maxpedition Janus pouch on the strap. And in here, antiviral hand wipes. And spare mask, which is handmade by some nice lady on Etsy. It's a Japanese design and it's a pretty good mask. It's got a pocket in as well for a filter. I just keep that as a emergency one, which is a Smartalot on Etsy. And that's all I carry in there. I would have a bottle of hand sanitizer, but I left that in the car. And then here, got waterproof pants, which are the same ones I've had for ages. Just a Highlander brand, British PDM, camo, and Schmog, and a spare 18650. And I would have the power bank, but when I'm making videos on the phone, I've got to have the phone permanently plugged into a power source, otherwise the battery dies after 5 seconds. Even if it's on 100% before I start doing videos, it'll just go into shutdown. And in here, got the headband for the Omitech, don't know why. Haven't got the Omitech. Well, I've got it, I just don't use it now. Binoculars. Opticon, I think. Opticron Oregon. I've had these since I was 14 years old and I'm now 33, and these are still going as good as they did the day I got them. I don't think there's anything in there. Another flashlight, Phoenix TK11 TAC. And this is a new cup. It's a Dutch stainless steel. I think it's from the 1960s. It's awesome. I like this a lot more than the British Crusader cup. The handles just fit flush. And it's a different orientation as well. The Crusader's got them on this side and they stick right out and they just hang up when you try and move it out of the pouch, but these are really flush. Oop. They're awesome. It doesn't fit the Soviet canteen, but it does fit the forget what it is now, German. I think it's the West German canteen. I think it's the M39 or something, aluminium. Doesn't fit perfectly. There's a bit of a gap, but that's a blessing in disguise, because I can take another bandana and just shove it in there, and now it'll hold it. And I've got the added bonus of the bandana I can use as a cleaning cloth. I was tempted to go to the woods today and have a cheeky coffee with this, but it's been raining non-stop for 2 or 3 days now, and we're having heavy showers. We're going through a storm now, so I just didn't feel like going out. On top of that, there's the whole £200 fine thing if you get caught doing anything other than shopping or walking for exercise. So if I get caught with that, then technically it's a picnic, so that's a £200 fine. And another little thing I like about the Dutch canteen cup, it fits the Pathfinder alcohol stove or stove perfectly. Almost like it was made for it, and it won't fall off. And the stove captures the handles so they don't flip around either. It's almost like that stove was meant for this cup. It fits it even better than the Pathfinder cup with the American style handles. So that's a pretty nice little setup right there. Hopefully I'm going to use it eventually. But that is my ADC for this month. Changed a lot, but I'm not working anymore, so is what it is. Anyway, thanks for watching. Chana.